Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here. This is called Wendy's New Frosty. This is part of the SpongeBob SquarePants meal here. This is called Pineapple Under the Sea Frosty. So this is mango pineapple frosty. Let's give this a try. As you can see, it's kind of got the ingredients on the bottom, and it's kind of just like a vanilla frosty with syrup. Already I'm thinking that this is not going to be as good as the other frosties that have recently came out. Well, let's see. I can't say I like this. It's got a mango flavor to it. It's got not really a pineapple flavor. It's more mango. And they call this Pineapple Under the Sea. I don't like this. I definitely think that the pumpkin spice frosty or maybe another frosty should have been released instead of this, but I guess this is collaboration with the SpongeBob SquarePants meal that they're trying to do, which honestly everybody's getting, so I guess, I mean, that might be the reason why this is not as good as it could be, but it's definitely not as good as I thought it was going to be. I wouldn't pick this up again, honestly. It's just basically syrup, like, basically, it's kind of like the syrup that they put in the drink machine, basically. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know. It's kind of like they just put the syrup that they have in the drink machine in the Frosty. It's not as good as the other Frosties. I don't know. It's not like as mixed in as the other Frosties. So I would honestly give this maybe a 5 out of 10. Yeah, 5 out of 10 I think would be a good rating on this. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't get this again.